Indesit washing machine. And it's got the famous universal motor which runs on AC and DC. Water pump there. Some electronic controller there. And the pulley drive to the main drum. This one's sitting at the bin at work. Pick it up at the end of the day, and there was a note underneath. Raymond, it still works, but the bearing is a bit noisy. Cool. It's an Indesit, and it's 230 to 40 volts, 13 ampere. WG 830. I'm not going to throw a brick in it straight away. That has already been proven by photonic induction and quite a few other people. It's going to do something different. Food coloring. I need to modify a few things like the pump, the water pump. So that's running. And then the main drum should be running as well at high speed. Then I want to put an on-off switch on the timer, as well an option as bypassing the limit switch. For a visual indication, I'm planning to put some indicator lamps in there, one that tells me that the switch is bypassed, one that tells me that the pump is going, while the drum is pretty obvious. I already couldn't resist to put a bit of stuff in there and froth it up to foam, which worked quite well. I have a dirty overall I'm going to put in. Put a little bit of food coloring, some blue in there. See what happens. Oh, that's blue. Just want to see the consistency of the foam. Oh, scheiße. And a little splash and dash, a bit of blue stuff has gone out.